Alright, welcome to Rock and Rattle Retreat. Fall of 2020, we had quite a few good forests sitting here. Then we came in and started clearing. We're down to excavation. Brought in an excavator, started digging. Look at all that debris in the center. And he was digging. He's hit rock ledges, big rocks, and of course he's still digging and moving a lot of debris. And I would say a lot of debris. And then I'm blowing up rock, or cracking it, with little explosives. Get out there, shovel it off, drill some holes, blow them out. A lot of drilling. He's back there taking out stumps. Some of the big boys. Here comes some stumps up. Look at those stumps. Those things are massive. That's taller than I am. And we crack some more rock. Oh, rock coming down everywhere. Now, let's try putting it back together. Oh, there it goes. And there, she's back together. Not really, but they looked good. Do a lot of cracking of rock here. I've already cracked this rock much lower down. Now we're going a little bit higher up so it's easier to get off, hopefully in layers. And then we had a friend visit here. He basically came and searched the entire job site for any little rodents disturbed. Nice little black snake. Alright. New piece of equipment. Yep. Hammer time. Let that hammer fly. Problem is, once you do all the breaking, you got to clear it out so you can break some more. So he moved over, do some more breaking. And that is smoke going by, not clouds. Bring in the other backhoe, clear it out a bit. Check grade. And break some more. Just hammer it in there. And then clear it out. And hammer some more. Scoop it out. Check the grade. Put it in the bucket. Move it out. All that rock hammered in, had very sharp edges on it. There I am drilling some more. Checking grade, drilling, moving more rock. Moving stumps, blowing some more rock. Oof. Look at that crack. You see that crack there on that right side? All kinds of stuff flying on that one. Had to do it on an angle because it was kind of a thin sheet on top. Checking grade again. Moving more debris, rock, a little bit of dirt, mostly rock. Just think, this is rock and rattle retreat. Now what had happened was the hammer hoe there, they broke the hammer on it. Needed some internal parts. Some are on back order, so it's still up there. They put the backhoe bucket on it, but it's not a hammer anymore. They're still waiting for parts. At least they could order parts. And yes, we are in the clouds today. It's another day in the clouds. A little moist, but not really that bad. Moving all that stuff out of there. There's a lot of surface rock A lot of stumps. We got most of the stumps out. I think there's 3 back there at the moment that still need to go. Because it's going to clear up a little bit. Okay, so we started a rock feature out in the center. Still looking for another rock to put on top of that. And the clouds again. Another day, another rock. You can tell I'm over there on the wood miser doing some lumber in between. Oh, I think that's the last rock up there. There I'm back there making a little bit of lumber. Still trying to clean up all this debris. So you can tell he's putting most of this stuff over on that right side. That's off the driveway. It used to be the driveway, and then it'd go down a little bit to a little bit of step, and then it'd go down much further to another step. And down there is our leach field for the septic. So we're trying to make sure that he doesn't put anything on top of that. But there's a lot of room over there to put all this stuff from the house build. Because it's all got to go. Well, not all of it, but most of it's got to go. Some of it get pushed up in the back. You still got to get that center portion for the basement done. Bit of grade work. There's the rock feature. We got another one coming. Actually, a couple more probably. Because we got a lot of rock and a lot of big rock. So we got to do something with it. Sometimes it's creative, sometimes it's just up, push it over the edge. Create some more flat spot over there on the right. Probably have room for other parking, maybe trailer parking. Got anybody coming up? That'd be parking for them. Fueling. And they're probably done for the day. There they go. So this is what we got done so far on this video. We got some stuff pushed up in the back. That's where the garage is going to be for the trucks. And we got the main house. We still got a couple ledges in there. And then we got the other side for the other side of the garage. Update on the video, or on the view. It's now green out here. Look at that view. You can see for miles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see if it's not seeing what you want to. See you later.